This is Cleverness, a smart lighting system of switches, dimmers, and outlets, compatible with every leading home automation system, with innovative design and simple do-it-yourself installation. With Cleverness, you can control any light using hand gestures or your voice.
Alexa, turn the patio lights on.
A single light switch can operate up to 3 gangs of light fixtures. Our hardware will detect how many cables are plugged in and will automatically adapt to your needs. Cleverness is accessible online from anywhere while operating on its own network at home. It uses artificial intelligence to learn your routine and adapts accordingly. With Vacation Leave, your home will appear occupied even when it's not. And geofencing capability means there's no need to leave the lights on while you're away. Cleverness senses when you're near. Each Clever device is also a signal repeater, ensuring full coverage of your home without the need of additional devices. As system administrator, give only as much control as you wish to each user, including guests. And app energy monitoring is helping you save money and the environment. Cleverness is home lighting automation, redefined.
How about our surroundings? Any allergies, common cold, or skin problems? Sometimes what we can't see scares us more. Why tolerate these bacteria and germs around you any longer? Introducing Clean Tea. Kill bacteria, germs, and contaminants in seconds with the stroke of light. In our version 1, Clean Tea was recognized and loved as the first portable LED sterilizer with beautiful industrial design and functionality combined. Today, we reintroduce the Clean Tea world to you with Clean Tea version 2, a better, faster, and more affordable Clean Tea. Clean Tea is upgraded with a new UVC LED to increase the sterilizing effectiveness by 200%, and a longer battery life so you can take it on the go and continue to sterilize your surroundings all day long. Transform any unfamiliar destination into a safe environment. Just click and clean anytime, anywhere. Clean Tea will keep you safe wherever life takes you.
I'm gonna go freshen up.
Yeah, you go, babe.
What's wrong?
The show is not available in this country.
I've got a great idea.
Meet My Smart Blinds, the simplest, smartest, solar-powered window coverings since antennas and dial-up.
Alexa, open My Smart Blinds.
Okay, opening My Smart Blinds.
Hold on, let's see that again. That right there is My Smart Blind's patented Smart Lock technology, the only built-in blind hardware that allows you to install your blinds in seconds. Smart Lock combines friction, adhesion, and compression to stay as tight as a pair of your high school jeans in your window frame. So easy, even your grandma could do it. My Smart Blinds will pay for themselves in energy savings, giving you extra cash to spend on all your guilty pleasures. Fast food, online shopping, and all that stuff your friends are trying to sell you on Facebook. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. You see, hidden up there inside the motor are sensors that tell the blinds when the room has had enough sun. The blinds will automatically shut, protecting your floors and furniture and keeping your home nice and cool, saving you money. Pretty smart. With set it and forget it scheduling, you don't need a clock or a smartphone or even a brain for that matter. My Smart Blinds do the thinking for you. Set your schedule once and forget about it. Pretty smart. No more having to wonder whether you really did remember to close your blinds before jumping in the shower. With My Smart Blinds, you can even secure your home while you're away, maintaining privacy wherever you are. The My Smart Blinds hub brings Bluetooth control to the cloud, so you can be anywhere in the world and have access to your home. Pretty smart. With sun tracking, My Smart Blinds will maintain the light levels you prefer year-round. So, if you like waking up to sunlight and enjoying privacy at sunset, My Smart Blinds will automatically change your tilting times as the seasons change. Plus, with the help of the My Smart Blinds solar panel, your blinds will stay charged year-round. Pretty smart. And if you already have blinds, you can turn those retro, non-intelligent, low IQ blinds into smart blinds. No tools or diploma necessary with our automation kit. A big thanks to our loyal Kickstarter backers that helped us bring the kit to market in 2016. And don't miss us this spring when we're back with My Smart Blinds for roller shades.
Hey Siri, turn off the lights.
PM3 is a Wi-Fi enabled smart plug that allows you to have full control over your lights and electronics from anywhere. The PM3 is the world's only dual smart plug and USB charger compatible with Alexa and Apple HomeKit. So no matter what you are doing or where you are, you're in control of your home. It is easy to install. Simply plug it in, download the app on your iPhone or Android, and boom, you're connected. PM3 works with Alexa, Siri, and Linkwise app.
Hey Siri, Alexa, turn living room light on.
So you can control your home without touching a thing, or use your phone to manage your home while you're away. Create scenes and set schedules that fit your daily routine. Use the energy monitor and intelligent status feedback to compare how much energy your devices and products are using. Save money and conserve power by turning off items when you aren't using them. Our adjustable nightlight will ease nighttime movement. Dual USB ports will keep your devices fully powered. With PM3, you control your home wherever you are. Please, back us today.